Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax, and today we're on Harris's 2024 210 Breeze. Really nice boat, lots of room in this boat for a 21-footer. Let me show you a few nice things about this boat that I think you'll really like. One thing that they do a great job on, really heavy-duty stuff, is their stainless steel. And the stainless steel ladder that's in the back is a 4-step ladder, drops way down deep in the water, so it's easy to get on this boat. Even if you got not so great knees like me, you get a 2-step ladder, you got to try and bring your legs way up there, no good. You need a 4-step ladder like that. Nice big grab handles on both sides. And then this is powered with a 150 Mercury. You got a nice ski tow arch back here on the place to hook up your tow rope at. Great for pulling tubes and skiers and stuff like that. Walking into the cockpit and helm area of this boat, really roomy. You can see it's expansive in here, tons of room. Plenty of room for eight or nine people to sit around this. This boat's actually rated for 12 people. Super comfortable captain's chair, tilt steering wheel, GPS fish finder on the dash, stereo's already on there. Taking a look at the bow, you've got gates at the front and the back. This has got a nice big bow area on this, so if you wanted to fish off the front or maybe put a couple of fishing seats on the front of this boat, you could absolutely do that. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Come see us today.